Looks like another wild and crazy day here on the street. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Daily Update for Wednesday, the 23rd of June. And, well, I don't know. It's hard to make a call here. The markets continue to try to go higher. We're watching history in the making on markets that continue to move. In the meantime, this update is brought to you by our friends and partners at the CTG Group. And, of course, that is Capital Trading. They are one of our brokerage partners. And, of course, we have many other brokers. And there is no requirement to use them, but they are a great option. And we fully vetted them. And, in fact, they trade all of my portfolios. So if you want to check them out, you can go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, they've got some great managed futures products you might want to check out as well. In the meantime, the markets are higher. They're coming off a little bit right now. Right now, the Dow is just slightly positive. NASDAQ up 23. The S&P up 3, and the Russell up over 100. We'll see. I mean, like I said, we're basically long except for the Dow. So that, again, is in our favor. And the metals are charging higher again here. As I wrote this morning for Kitco, we could see some action, and they were going to break out of that very tight range. I think you have to watch the 1800 level in gold. In the meantime, we're short gold, short silver, and would be short platinum. However, we don't trade it because it is not liquid enough. Crude continues to explode higher. I mean, it's up $1.30. Again, as I say every day, you give the criminals the keys, they're going to steal it. So there you go. There goes our capital and our cash. And of course, we don't have any inflation because they don't like to count energy. That's a bad thing. Bonds and notes are lower. Again, this may be the running of the bond vigilantes, as they call them. This is going back after the Federal Reserve, telling them they better start the hike rates. The cryptocurrency world, after all the bad news and all the troubles, we are seeing a little bit of a pop this morning. Bitcoin's up about 34,000, up about 1,800. Look, again, we expect this kind of wild and crazy trade in the crypto space to begin with. When you're looking at markets that are unregulated and under not controlled, you can see lots of crazy moves, no different than the meme stocks. So, I mean, don't get yourself in a tizzy. Okay, if you're trading it, remember, just you're at risk. I mean, the Bitcoin mini is becoming more liquid each and every day. Or it's a micro, excuse me. But I trade it every day just to make sure because I want to put it into our portfolios. In the meantime, copper is having a nice little rally this morning. Now we're still short, so obviously not good for us. But at the end, you expect, again, these dead cat bounces that show up. Natural gas continues to charge forward, which is highly unusual for this time of year. But again, this goes to show you of the ridiculous energy policy that we are following right now. And, of course, the grains, corn, wheat, and beans are all higher. In fact, wheat's charging higher of about 17 cents. We'll see. We are basically short across the board. But, again, we've said many times we'd prefer to be long, but we will follow the algorithm. And, you could see a change at any given time. And we will obviously be on the lookout. In the proteins, you've got fats and feeders slightly higher. Hogs, once again, after yesterday's rally, as we said there'd be a rally, are getting smushed once again. They're getting barbecued. How about that? And in the softs department, cotton is higher, and we are long. Coffee is higher, and we are short. Sugar is higher, we're short. Cocoa is lower, and we are short. And, of course, OJ is lower, and we're short. So, it's a mixed bag. I mean, we're really at markets that just don't want to do a hell of a lot of anything. So we'll continue to trade. We'll continue to be positioned properly. And, when we get the next big trend, we will benefit and capitalize greatly. In the meantime, don't forget about our other brokerage partner at Tradier Brokerage. And, as I tell you, I have other brokers, so, I have more places to go. But the first thing I tell you is $10 a month. How can I pass on that kind of savings? It's money that goes right in my pocket, okay? Plus the fact their customer service is second to none in the equity business. And third, we've got their APIs, which allows us to automate our equity portfolios to you at no cost. It's part of your membership. And of course, hedging, there's a cost to the hedging software, but it can be automated for you if you choose. Now, again, your $10 at Tradier will not change. Our great partners at Family Farms, I know they're going bonkers as well, trying to get their event set up for July, plus all this crazy action and the grains, plus reports coming out end of the month. But, they're a great partner, and our interests are aligned to basically help farmers. That's what we're trying to do, and make sure that they can do their job and we can help them with the financial side. And our commodity report written by Andy Heck, as he is feverishly working on the quarterlies. As I say every day, if you are not reading Technomental and you're in the commodity space, you are making one of your biggest mistakes. His information is the best in the industry. He writes perfectly about it, and it writes from experience as a trader as well. So that is Technomental. You can get it at BUBBATrading.com. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great trading day, everybody. And we'll see you back here again tomorrow on Thursday. This is Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you tomorrow.